Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power mirrors are not working. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. All of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, just under this cover. To remove the cover, you'll have three black tabs, one here, one here, one here. So you want to press these little tabs and lift up to unlock it. And you will do that on all of them. And once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover, there is a small fuse diagram. And right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 55, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to power mirror switch. And then the next fuse will be fuse number 60, which will be also a 7.5 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to outside power mirrors. And I will mention just one more fuse number 53, 10 amp red fuse, responsible for interior mirror, if you're having problems with that. Okay, and that's it. If all of these fuses are good, then you will have to dig deeper. First test the power mirrors switch, and you'll have to check all of the wiring and electrical connections. What I see very often, the wires at the driver door jamb get damaged behind the rubber, and that has to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.